Pure at Heart, Rash Statement, and Windermere Norma. Lady Slipper. 3-year-old trotters. Here they come. Pure at Heart, well back, leaving. There they go, up and trotting. Rash Statement is the first one away. At the rail, second is Top Way, and from the outside, Windermere Norma third. Trotting up fourth is Ocean View Kate. Then the trailer, that's Pure at Heart fifth. At the 8th pole, Rash Statement makes front. Off stride goes Top Way. Moving into second is Windermere Norma. Up to third is Ocean View Kate. Now moving up to be fourth, that's Pure at Heart. And towards the inside, that's Top Way, now the trailer. They arrive at the opening quarter. Chevrolet and Rash Statement in control. Here comes Ocean View Kate early on the outside. 30-4 was the quarter. Trotting right with the leaders. Third is Windermere Norma. Way back fourth, that's Pure at Heart. Then the trailer after the break. It's Top Way fifth. They race through the stretch. Battle on for the lead as they come towards half mile. Rash Statement will not give it up. Ocean View Kate committed herself, and as a team they trot to the paddock turn. Windermere Norma third. Pure at Heart a distant fourth. Top Way trailing fifth. The half was a minute and 1. That was 29-2 in the second quarter. Rash Statement on top. Ocean View Kate on the outside second. Drafting along at the rail third. Windermere Norma. Pure at Heart fourth. Top Way trailing the field fifth. They go to 3/4 now. Off stride on the lead. Rash Statement has self-destructed under the pressure of Ocean View Kate, who now leads it. Second is Windermere Norma. Rash Statement trying to regain his stride third. Pure at Heart fourth. Top Way fifth. 3/4 31-1. So they're off a mighty good clip. And it's Ocean View Kate in deep stretch. Windermere Norma. Rash Statement. Ocean View Kate and Mike Stevenson in the Lady Slipper. Second, that's Windermere Norma. Rash Statement held third.